Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gab. Happy birthday, Gab. I wish you to be happy in your birthday. Sana maging happy ka pag binubuksan mo na yung mga gift mo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit, Gab. Happy birthday, Gab. Good health and more contests to come. Happy birthday, Gab. Sana maging healthy ka palagi at saka maging happy yung birthday mo ngayon. See you later sa school. Hello, Juan Gabriel. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, Gab Gab. Sana maging mabuti kang bata. Happy birthday, Juan Gab. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, Juan Gab. 2. Happy birthday, Gab. Ingatan po ikaw ni God. At God bless you. At maging ikaw masunurin.
Mag-aral?
Mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Hi, Gab! Happy birthday, Gab! Sana masaya ka sa araw na ito. Salamat sa pagkakaibigan natin. Sana wag mo ko kalimutan. Happy birthday, Gab!
Hi Gab, it's me, Ate Kathleen. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for being such a silly, fun, and clingy kid. Sobrang na-appreciate kita, kaya tinuturing na rin kita bilang my little brother. Not by blood, but by heart. I miss you so much, and I hope your special day is filled with dinos, fun, and everything that makes you happy. Love you, Gab.
So ayun, nagbabalik muli si Kuya Gary para batiin ka ng happy birthday, Gab. At ang wish ko ngayong birthday mo ay good health para sa iyo and then para sa family mo. And then mas marami pang medal ang makuha mo kasi alam ko magaling ka na sa school eh. So mas marami pa sana medal ang makuha mo sa school para mas marami pang medal ang maibigay mo para sa parents mo. And then sana makabalik ka na ulit dito sa dagat para makapagkita na tayo. Miss you. Gab. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gab! Sana matupad ng mama mo yung mga wish mo. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday sa pinakamalupit ko na tropa at sobrang astig. Wish ko sana ay lalo ka pang maging masipag, mabait at mapagmahal sa iyong mga magulang. Thank you, Lumpia!